ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Menteri Rangba ka jilla ulaong baka Sorkar kala de ban penkre hado lais nem kenti shwa ban shim ya ka rai ha ka bayade bat ka jingthmu ban penken ria no ya ki harijan ki basong basa hatem Metor. Kumta ulaong bah ka jing penkre ha ki ki lais nem ka Sorkar kala rai ban shim ni ki Lynti ya jongka ki ban nom bakla satya ni ki Lynti jongka ain bat baro ka baka Sorkar kan le kan longbat Katkum ki Lynti jongka ain. Shushu ulaong baka jaka basa ki harijan hatem Metor kadai ka jaka jong ka Sorkar ka baladep banyate kular bat ka hima melim. Conrad ulaong ru baka jingkren jong ki nongelam na ka jilla Punjab khamtam usumbut menteri rangba jong ka Punjab kadai ka bajulong hi bakin penpau ye ka jing snow jong ki habaki snow tho ka kta ye ki breu jongi bat lada kadai ye ki khasi ne ki garo ki basa shabar jilla ru kadai ka kamram jong ka Sorkar ban kren kumta Henry ula penthi kinapat baka ko baka Sorkar kan le kan long bat Katkum ki Lynti jong ka ain bat kanam don kano kono ka jingle jubor ka ban ya like na ka ain.
It's important to understand few facts out here. Number one is that whatever the government of Meghalaya is going to do, it is after 3 years of detailed homework that we have decided on the steps that we're going to take. Whatever steps that we're going to take from now on and all the moves that we're going to make are going to be legally sound. So therefore, whatever decisions, whatever question of any aspect of any action to be taken by the government will be based on proper documentation and proper legal fronts. It is important for individuals, the leaders from government of Punjab were mentioned that they will be also taking up the matter. They need to also understand that the ownership of the land is with the government in terms of the lease that has been signed with the CM of Million. Now once that happens, when the legal documentation is there, the legally people who are government employees are being asked to go to the government residential places which are being provided to them. So it's not that people are going to be simply left on the streets. So the people who are government employees who have been working with municipal or other departments who are staying in that area will be asked to shift to the official residential complexes of those departments. So it is being made to look as if everybody is going to be just simply thrown out. Well, that's not correct. So one has to understand first that the legal documents or the papers are with the government. So therefore, whoever is staying there has to be in the terms of what the government decides. Number two is the fact that all the legal and and employees of the departments, they will be asked to shift to the official residences. And number three, the Urban Affairs Department has been asked to find an amicable way in which we'll be able to find all the others who are not legally settled out there to be shifted or to be put somewhere else, or whatever proper way of ensuring that a solution can be reached to. So therefore it's not proper to mix all the aspects into one and make it look as if there's one issue. There are multiple issues and we will handle each one of them in a very, very legal manner. That's my first point. Second point is that we have made it very clear, whoever moves any status quo or gives any order and thing, we respect the stand that different commissions may have. We will challenge that in the court, as I said. So once we go to High Court or Higher Court, Division Bench or Supreme Court, we will take up the matter and we will challenge it. As I said, we are very clear on the stand of the government, and as I said, it's an issue that has been pending too long and we need to find a solution to this issue also. May not be the most simplest solution, but we will work towards finding an amicable solution to this issue also. The high-powered committee had given the opportunity time and again for different stakeholders or individuals or groups to come and submit any kind of documentation that they could have to claim or counterclaim the ownership or gift or whatever of the land that they had. Sadly, nobody has come forward with any kind of information to the high-powered committee. So therefore, as per the reports of the high-powered committee, nobody came forward with any documentation, in spite of being given multiple opportunities. One cannot stop anybody if they have concerns for their people. It's very fair. I mean, if somebody were being, if our people, Khasis or Garos, are going to be harassed in another state, obviously as a state government, it is our responsibility and duty to intervene. So it's not something wrong that the other governments are doing by informing, or I shouldn't say interfering, but by showing their concern. It is natural that they show their concern. But it should be clear to all these governments and individuals and political parties also that whatever the government of Meghalaya will do will be legally sound, and we will follow legal procedure, and all the procedures required for any kind of step or action to be taken will be done in a very, very legal manner. So therefore, one should not take it in a wrong sense that we will just simply we'll bulldoze. That's absolutely not the case. We have done a lot of homework in this, and we will now, as I said, break this into smaller problems, and we're resolving this one by one. And obviously the last part which is there, which is most complicated, we have asked the Urban Affairs Department to give us what are the options that they have. In the meantime, the other procedures of shifting the municipal office, shifting the employees who are government officials, who have been allocated spaces, all those aspects can start happening. So we will see that the solution will start rolling, and we're hopeful that we will soon be able to find a complete solution to this problem.